That's the American flag, so you know we're made in America. This is Taylor with Litt Industries, and today we're going over the packouts for the RZR Xps. So we have three different options to mount your packout. We have option 1, which is our top shelf, option 2, which is our bottom tray. You will need to purchase the wings separately to install the bottom tray. And to make things even more versatile, for option 3, you can mount your top shelf to your bottom tray and fit a 4-inch packout. We have 2 stud kits here, which you'll need to install your top shelf. You can see the 4 studs coming out of the bed. Grab your top shelf, lay the slots over the studs, grab your included knobs, thread them on to hold down your mount, and then you're ready to go. If you plan on using this packout, you need to install it on the top shelf. It will not fit in the lower shelf. Just a side note. So this is how you install your wings to your bottom tray. You'll need a 1/2-inch wrench, and the included hardware, carriage bolts, and lock nuts will be included in this. So grab your wing, place it on top of this flange. You're gonna drop your carriage bolts in here to the designated holes. Hold down your wing and carriage bolt. Thread on each lock nut, and then tighten it with your 1/2-inch wrench. You'll do this to both sides and make sure that Litt Industries is facing up. Same procedure goes for the bottom tray. Align your holes, drop it over the studs, and then put your knobs on. This is the style of packout you'll need. I call it the pancake. Snaps in, keeps your valuables below the deck. This is how you install your top shelf to your bottom tray. Grab your top shelf, place it on the bottom tray, line up your square holes, and then proceed to grab all 6 carriage bolts. Place them in all 6 square slotted holes. Next, grab your lock nuts, start the thread, and a 1/2-inch wrench or socket, and then you tighten them all up, and then you're good to go. This is the option number 3, where you can install both of them together. Drop it in. This system will not work with Yeti 35s or any other 35 cooler. That was our packout mount. Pack it in, pack it out. Go check out our link in the description below. If you have any questions about our mounts, go over to littindustries.com, hit up that live chat. I'm Taylor, and stay lit.